Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power down the Acer Swift, unplug it, and ground yourself with an ESD strap so you don't fry the board. Remove the bottom screws methodically, keep a labeled tray, or take a single photo of screw locations. Once the base is loose, use a spudger to pry clips gently. You want to avoid cracking plastic. You're doing this because safe access prevents damage to ribbon cables and LEDs, which are fragile and easy to snap if forced. With the base open, first disconnect the internal battery to eliminate shorts. Then lift the keyboard or bezel where the backlight sits. Identify the LED strip or diffuser film and its connector. Carefully unplug the ribbon using a plastic tool. Don't pull at the cable itself. Install the new LED strip or realign the film, match the connector pins, and press the latch until it clicks. You do this to ensure correct polarity and solid contact. Loose pins cause flicker or no light at all. Once the new backlight is fitted, reconnect the battery and keyboard ribbon, then close the chassis and tighten screws in reverse order. This preserves alignment. Boot the laptop, use function keys to cycle brightness and confirm stable illumination. If it does not light, power down and reopen. Make sure the ribbon is fully seated and the connector latch engaged. If problems persist, measure the backlight power rail or try a known good module. That troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.